South 2399, contact departure.
Switch departure, Southwest 2399. Yep, Tower Southwest 2399, we need to declare an emergency. Go over to departure and head back to the runway.
South 2399 or Roger, say altitude, maintain 3000.
Alright, we're trying to get to 3000 right now, we're at 2500. And we just lost our number one engine.
1500, block 3500 and 30 west.
Yeah, for right now, Southwest 2399, just vectors back to ILS 23 right to land.
South 2399, Roger, turn right heading 320, maintain 3000.
Right, 320, 3000, Southwest 2399.
South 2399, do you need equipment standing by?
Yes, Southwest 2399.
South 2399, Roger, are you able to change over to the approach control frequency, or you need to stay with me?
No, we can switch over.
South 2399, contact approach 121.1.
21-1, Southwest 2399. Here's Southwest 2399 with you at 3000.
2399, radar contact, maintain 3000, understand you want to come back for an ILS, 2 to right. 2399, Roger, turn right heading 050.
2399.
I wasn't able to say the nature of the emergency. We're at 4631, turn left direct Mario. South 2399, I wasn't able to say souls on board and remaining fuel.
Alright, stand by, Southwest 2399.
Station 8 Sierra Lima, contact Indy Center 124.52. South 2399, you want to stay at 3000 for now, or you want to climb? The aircraft information Tango is now current, wind 1309er, altimeter 285, visibility 8 miles, light range, ceiling broken 800, overcast 2800.
American 2938 out of 2700 for 5, runway heading.
2938, 13,000.
On to 13,000, American 2938.
South 2399, if you would not want to your right, runway 14 is also available with wind is 1308.
Yeah, we'll set it for 23 right for now, Southwest 2399.
2399, Roger. South 2399, turn right heading 090.
090, Southwest 2399.
South 2399, I just plan to keep you within about 30 miles of the airport, so just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Couple of vectors, we need to burn some gas anyway, so this will work.
American 2938, contact Indy Center 119.55.
Approach Southwest 2399.
South 2399, go ahead.
Alright, we're ready to take vectors for the approach. Just if you would, let the folks on the ground know. We will stop on the runway initially till we're cleared by the fire department, and then we'll be able to taxi back to a gate from there.
South 2399, thank you. We'll pass that along. You're cleared back to Indianapolis via radar vectors. Flight heading 140 now, maintain 3000.
Heading 140, maintain 3000, Southwest 2399.
2399, 4 miles from Racing, turn right heading 200, maintain 3000, full establish localizer, cleared ILS for a 2 right approach. Side 4 Charlie Alpha, 15 miles from Hameb, cross Hameb, at or above 3000, cleared RNAV, runway 19 approach to Greenwood. Southwest 2399, contact tower 120.9er.
399, thanks, appreciate the help.
Okay.
Tower Southwest 2399, emergency aircraft with you. We're on the ILS 23 right.
South 2399, Indy Tower, wind 140 at 10, runway 23 right, clear to land.
Runway 23 right, clear to land, Southwest 2399, and if you didn't get the word, we'll plan on stopping on the runway initially until we get clearance to taxi from the ground.
Southwest 2399, Roger, we do expect you to stop on the runway, and I'll give you a ground frequency once you are on the ground.
I appreciate that, thanks.